Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. A common problem you may come across in your graphic design life is creating more space on an image. I have a particular type of artboard that I need to stick to via the client's requests. And we have this image here. I place this image on here and as you can see, we have spaces either on the left or right hand side, which obviously we don't want. What we should be able to do is use tools within Photoshop to give us the accessibility of creating more space. And that's what I want to show you today. The first thing I'm going to do is use my marquee tool and come through and create a selection like so. I'm going to make sure I'm on the add to selection option up here and create another selection like here. The tool that we need to be using is what we call content aware fill. So if I now, with the layer highlighted, go to edit, we have content aware fill. Now what this is Adobe's artificial intelligence software working out using the green pixels in the middle there and realizing what I would like to put on either side. And as you can see through our preview option on the right hand side here, pretty good. Be conscious of your output settings. I'm going to leave it a current layer because it's going to affect our current layer. And now if I come through and press OK, I'm going to deselect, which is Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. As you can see, I've now added space to that image very, very easily. Thank you very much, guys, for taking the time and watching our tutorial today. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.